Assalamu alaikum, great. This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. Fine. Our main agenda today is English reading. I'm going to conduct your English reading class. Today the date is 25th January 2021 and the day is Monday. Okay, class, when you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a pencil. And how does it look? It looks really very nice. And I guess you people use it most of the time because you are being a student, and most of the time you people use it for writing purposes, like you use it for writing, for drawing purpose, fine. And you people, especially like the school going children, they have the most of use of the pencil, fine. So today I'm going to share an autobiography of a pencil. Fine. First of all, I would like to tell you what is an autobiography. Okay, you can see here what is an autobiography. An autobiography is the story of one's life as written by oneself. ठीक है ना, ये स्टोरी होती है किसी की जो कि कोई खुद से लिखता है अपने बारे में. इट्स ऑल अबाउट मी. Meanwhile, a person could write about himself, or and if it is an imaginary thing, then the objects can also speak about themselves. Fine, they are going to tell about themselves, their story. So that is what we say an autobiography. That can be a living thing and a non-living thing also, and it's all about you, written by you. Meanwhile, when you read this autobiography, you will see the third person over there. You will see first person over there. You will see I, the word, the pronoun I will be there. Fine. Okay, class, as I showed you the picture in the beginning to you. So as this is a pencil, now I told you that in autobiography, the object, an animal or anything or any person, it's like that thing speaks itself. Fine. So this is the story of a pencil, and now the pencil has been made a living character, and now the pencil is going to share its story to you, and it will speak about itself. Fine. Now let's have a quick look of that. Okay, now the pencil starts to speak. And says that I am a pencil. I was first invented in England. Okay, I was first invented in England in 1564 from the wood of the tree. And I was taken out from the wood of the tree. So now the pencil is telling its story, and it says that मैं कहाँ से मुझे निकाला था? इंग्लैंड से. इंग्लैंड, this is in the continent of Europe in 1564. So we come to know this is the invention, the starting invention, like it was created or it was invented in the year 1564, and it was derived from the wood means jungle. ठीक है ना, wood of the tree, and from the jungle, from the forest, and it was derived from the wood of the tree. यानी दरख्त की जो लकड़ी होती है उससे निकाला था इसको. ठीक है. आई एम यूज फॉर राइटिंग एंड ड्राइंग. So now the pencil is telling about its uses, that this is used for writing and drawing purpose, and you people are aware of this thing. Fine. I have different shades, dark and light. Now it discusses about the shades of it, and it says that I have dark shade and light shade. Now what is the purpose of when dark shade is being used? My dark shade is used for noting and doing schoolwork and homework. Fine. When you people are definitely aware of this thing. When you people want to note down something, okay, now you are attempting any schoolwork or classwork or homework. Fine. At that time you use the dark pencil. ठीक है, dark shade की pencil use करते हैं. And my light shade is used for sketching and drawing. When you people need to do any sketching or drawing, fine, for this purpose you use light shade of the pencil. You use drawing sort of pencil. Now it says that I have a sharp edge. Edge कहते हैं जो उसकी जो corner होता है, इसका जो नोक होती है, that is called edge. बता रही है पेंसिल क्या बोल रही है, मेरी sharp नोक होती है. I feel so hurt when now the pencil starts to complain. ठीक है ना, with you, it is complaining to you. I feel so hurt when children sharp me for no reasons. What happens? Sometime you like there is no need to sharpen the pencil, but without any reason you people start to sharp, so the pencil feels so hurt at that time. And it says that you can sharp me and you should sharp me, but when it is required, ठीक है ना, without any reason if you sharp me I feel so hurt and so bad, क्योंकि मैं बेकार में छोटी हो जाती हूँ, ठीक है ना. My best friend is an eraser who erases my mistakes whenever I make any, ठीक है ना. अब पेंसिल क्या बता रही है, इसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है, रेजर है. इरेजर, दैट इज इरेजर. इरेजर क्या होता है, रबर, ठीक है ना. इट सेज दैट वो क्यों इरेजर, वाई द इरेजर इज the best friend of the pencil, because it makes, whenever there is any mistake done by the pencil, the eraser it removes the mistake. And it says that I'm always there for people, मतलब मैं हर वक्त लोगों के लिए होती हूँ. whenever they want to write down anything I'm there for them. The only thing I want from all is to be respected and kept in a gentle way. Just the pencil is going to make a request with all of you guys, especially with the kids, that I only want one thing from all of you, that I want to be respected and kept in a gentle way. Sometimes what happen, you people keep the pencil in a very bad way, बहुत जोर से रख देते हैं, don't pay respect to the thing from which you are writing. So the pencil is going to it is always happy to provide you with all the facilities to write, that it asks one thing from you, and it says that I just want respect from you guys, ठीक है ना, मुझे अच्छी तरह से यूज़ किया जाए. It says that. Now you can see there are different colors, different shapes and different sizes of the pencil. Fine, and you keep the pencil in the stationery box. So pencil is kept in the stationery boxes. And as if I told you in the beginning, like when I was reading the autobiography of the pencil, it was saying that I am used for, my light shade is used for sketching. So this is what we say, sketching. Drawing क्या होती है? Drawing is something when you color, and sketching is जो shades आप देते हैं, that is what we say, sketching. So this is the sketching. And now you can see here, this is the edge of the pencil. ये जो नोक है इसकी, this is what we say, edge, ठीक है ना. इसको क्या कहते हैं, edge कहते हैं. sharp होती है इसकी edge, इसकी नोक क्या होती है, sharp होती है, and it wants to be sharp, ठीक है ना. But whenever it is required, when it is not required, it doesn't want to be sharp. Okay class, when you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Is the pencil happy or it is crying? Yes, this is the crying face of the pencil. And why it is crying? Is it crying because it is actually complaining to all of you, and it says that I want to be respected by all of you guys, ठीक है ना, keep me in a very gentle way. And it is also making one complaint with you, and it says that whenever you people are having any vacations or you are having holidays and you keep me, you make me rest in the stationery box, I don't want to be, I don't want to take rest, I always want to be used. So this is complaining to you that use me all the time, ठीक है ना, do not keep me in, let me in the stationery boxes whenever you have any vacations. आप लोग की जैसे छुट्टियां होती हैं, आप लोग क्या करते हैं, भूल जाते हैं. So this is complaining to all of you guys, do not forget me, always use me, ठीक है ना. It feels so happy when this is used by you. So I guess class, you people must have enjoyed reading the autobiography of the pencil. Inshallah in the next coming classes I'll bring other topic of interest for you guys. Till then you people take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.